So today we will see some free VPN softwares that are available on different platforms like Windows, Android, Mac, Android TV, and also on web browser extension. The first software is Proton VPN. Proton VPN is free VPN software that is available on multiple platforms. It is available on Windows, Android, Android TV, Mac, Linux. The best thing is I like about the software is that it is available on Android TV. You can download from Google Play Store in your TV and it works perfectly well. Only thing is that you need to create an account on Proton VPN website, and you can see on the website it is available on Android, iOS, Mac OS, and Android TV as well. And I have already installed it. So this is the interface. You can quickly connect, and yeah, it is connected. Okay, and the second in the list is Urban VPN. It is also available in Windows, Android, Mac, iOS, but it is not available on Android TV still and on Linux operating system. And the main thing I like about this VPN software is that it is available in browser extension. So you can go to this website, Urban VPN, and here you can see it is VPN for Chrome. You can get it for free. If you click here, you can download it and you can add this extension in your Chrome browser. And to start the browsing, you need to click on this icon, Urban VPN. Okay, I will disable it. Okay. And here you can choose the location. Like I have chosen Belgium, and you can click the play button and it's connected to the VPN. You can download it for Windows, for Android, for Mac, iPhone, and in the browser you can download it for Chrome like we downloaded, and you can also download it for Edge. And third on the list is 3x VPN, and it is available only for Android mobile phones, Android devices, and you can get it from Google Play Store. It works well. And the fourth one in the list is Touch VPN. It is available in Android devices as well as in Windows. I will recommend it to use it as an extension in the Chrome because I have downloaded it in my Windows laptop, but it is not working good. It's sometimes connecting, it's sometimes not connecting. So I have downloaded it as a Chrome extension. So it is present in the extension. If I click here and if I try to click connect, it's connecting and it works well. And on number 5 is Tuxler VPN. It is for Windows and Mac. It is not available in Android devices. So here you can see it is available. You can install it in your Windows, Mac. You can also, it is also available as an extension, but I have already installed it, but it is asking for email ID password. I think it is for premium membership that I'm not sure, but you can install it. You can download it and install it and you can use it. It works well. And in the last we have VPN Hub. It is available for Android mobile, Android TV. To use VPN Hub in your Android TV, you need paid membership. So that's it. These are all free VPN software available in multiple platforms. So according to your need, you can choose one, whether it is on Android TV as a browser extension, on Windows operating system and Linux operating system. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you think this information has helped you, then you can support me by subscribing my channel.